At 5:12 a.m. on April 18, 1906, a massive earthquake turned the city of San Francisco to rubble. The San Andreas Fault, a massive transform plate boundary, ruptured across 296 miles, causing a violent shock lasting only about a minute, but with devastating effects. This rupture created large visible offsets at the surface that peaked at about 20 feet across. Deep below the surface, however, slippage was recorded at more than 25 feet. Slippage was most significant to the north half of the rupture, but was visible along the whole of the damaged fault. Though much of Northern California was affected by the quake, the center of human tragedy was San Francisco. The city was destroyed by the quake, and the ensuing fires, which lasted for 4 days, fueled by ruptured gas lines. 514 city blocks were leveled. 3,000 were killed, and more than half of the city's population of 400,000 were left homeless, living in tents in and around the wreckage until it was safe to rebuild. In the aftermath of the earthquake, as San Francisco began to rebuild, there was an outcry among scientists for research on the San Andreas Fault. The result of this research was the Lawson Report, published in 1908, which gave a comprehensive account of the quake, including seismographs, maps of the geological shifts in the San Andreas Fault, and pictures of damage. This was the first time that the U.S. government had ordered research into an earthquake, and the Lawson Report set the bar for future U.S. earthquake research. Today, the city of San Francisco has rebuilt and thrived in the 102 years since the earthquake, but its legacy lives on as one of America's most devastating earthquakes to date. Here are my image citations for you. And coming up, we have my information sources. Thank you for listening.